Hi, I'm Maurice Baynett. I'm Technical Director at ecoMaster, and today I want to talk about exterior floodlights. Maybe you've got exterior floodlights like these that come on automatically at night when there's movement. Maybe you don't realise that the standard light globes that come with these are all 150 watts. So in this unit itself is 300 watts of light bulbs that come on whenever there's movement. And something that's not very well known is that if you happen to fiddle with the light switch, if you put it on, off and back on within 10 seconds, these units come on and just stay on. So they'll be on all night. Okay, so we really don't want 300 watts on all night. So just be aware of that. If you switch it off, leave it off for a full minute and then power it back up, and it should then operate normally. But the best thing to do is to get rid of the 150 watt globes like this one. They're pretty easy to unscrew, and replace them with an LED globe. Now these LED globes cost around $25 to $30. They usually use only about 14 to 20 watts of electricity compared with the 150 watts that we're getting rid of. And it's just a simple thing of screwing them in place, and that's it, job done.